What the enemy meant for shame, God has turned it around, turn it around. What the enemy meant for shame, God has turned it around for my good. My name is Lucy Adebari. Some time ago in 2012, I came down with a stroke. I was taken to so many places until I got to Lasuth. That was where it was shown that I had a stroke. In the course of my treatment, I met a friend who introduced me to Phytoscience. They make stem cells and other products. And I was using some of these products. And I saw a lot of difference and I continued to use it. I couldn't walk before very well. I couldn't clap, now I can clap. You couldn't hear me when I talk. You will notice my voice is hoarse, but I'll get there soon. Lots of things. I couldn't eat by myself. I had to use a napkin. I was being treated, but all that now are things of the past. I am still on stem cell. I still use the snowfield, and I use crystal cell. If you are in this kind of my shoes, I advise you to take stem cells. These products, they are quite active, they work. Stem cells just doesn't help in the stroke. It treats a lot of diseases. When I had this stroke, I had a heavy height of cholesterol. It came down. My PCV, which was failing, came up. So many things. I had arthritis on my knee. I couldn't walk very well. So many things that happened to me when I started using this product. So I advise you get yours. It's good for you. You can see me now. My mobility has improved with the help and the use of Phytoscience double cell stems. Plenty shakara. You can see me doing it. Left, right, left, right, left, right.
What you just heard is one out of so many benefits you can get from this amazing product. The company is Phytoscience. The product is double stem cell, snowfield fort, crystal cell, and other products that we have. This product can reverse well over 200 chronic health conditions, even the one that the doctor says there is no cure. This product has proven to us that with God, all things are possible. This product can take care of the likes of glaucoma, diabetes, Parkinson, Alzheimer, dead wounds that there is no response, that there is nothing you can do about it, that the person will just be left to die or the leg will be amputated. But with this, our product, that person can get back his or her life again. So we encourage all people out there to use this first ever plant stem cell from Phytoscience. Phytoscience na baba. For more information,